Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to allow camera access on YouTube. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, there's a couple of ways to do this. So the first way is to head over to your settings app on your phone, and then from here scroll down and click into apps, and you can either search for apps or scroll down and search for it. But the easier way is just to search for it. So I'm going to type in YouTube. And then you want to click into permissions. And here's where you can see if you've allowed or disallowed camera. As you can see, I've disallowed camera for YouTube here. To allow it, simply click into camera permissions. And I'm going to allow only while using the app, or ask every time. So I'm going to click on allow only while using the app. And then I'm going to head back. And now you can see under allowed, camera is allowed. Alright, the second way to do this is to head back to your main screen and then simply click and hold onto the YouTube app. Click onto the little I button, information for more settings. Go to where it says permissions, and where it says camera under not allowed, click into that. And then simply allow only while using the app, or ask every time. Head back. And as you can see, it's allowed, so camera is allowed inside YouTube. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.